In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Tumbler mockup in Canva. If you design graphics for products or want to preview your artwork on a realistic tumbler before sharing it, Canva's built-in mockups make this quick and polished. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking tumbler image ready to showcase your design. Start by heading to your project in Canva. This is the file where you want the finished mockup to live, whether it's a social post, a product listing image, or a presentation slide. Have your design image ready in your uploads or on your computer so you can place it right away. A high-resolution PNG or JPG works best, and if your design has a transparent background, that often looks more natural on curved surfaces like tumblers. On the left sidebar, click Elements. This is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, and, importantly for us, its mockups library. Inside Elements, look for the Mockups category. Mockups are pre-made frames that automatically place your artwork onto realistic objects, complete with perspective and shadows, so you get that studio-quality look without complicated editing. In the Mockups area, use the search to type tumbler. You'll see a range of options, from stainless steel styles to colorful tumblers in different settings. Take a second to browse and pick a mockup that matches your brand and the vibe you're going for. If your design is bright and playful, a clean, well-lit mockup works great. If it's more minimal or premium, a neutral scene or a simple isolated tumbler may fit better. Click the tumbler mockup you want to add it to your canvas. It will drop onto your page like any element. Now, bring in your design image. Click and drag the image of your design from your uploads or your desktop into the mockup template on the canvas, and then release. When you hover over the tumbler area, you'll see it react as a drop zone. Let go right over the tumbler, and Canva will automatically place and fit your design onto the mockup, matching the shape and angle. If it doesn't snap on the first try, simply drag again and hover directly over the tumbler until you see it highlight, then release. Give it a moment to render, and you'll see your artwork appear naturally on the product with realistic lighting and curvature. That's all there is to it. With those few clicks, you've turned your flat design into a polished tumbler mockup in Canva. Try different tumbler styles to see which one displays your artwork best, and you're ready to present your design with confidence.